to about 36,000. Weather route tonight is partly cloudy skies along the route. We do have some forecasted strong winds, so as a safety precaution, I do ask that all passengers to please have your seatbelts fastened at all times whenever seated, just in case you run into some unexpected fogginess.
Passed through the immigration. I've checked in my baggage and I'm here at Terminal 1. Flight to Abu Dhabi, then to second leg for Manchester. So it's boarding time now. Yeah. Dito na ako sa Manchester. I think we'll start. Today's vlog is I'm just going to run through what I've experienced flying alone. Flying alone from Philippines, Manila to Manchester here in the United Kingdom. First I arrived at the airport, checked in, everything went well, and the immigration boarded the plane. It was an Etihad 777-300 series plane. It took me about 6-7 couple of many hours going to Abu Dhabi, and then from Abu Dhabi I waited for 2 hours in Abu Dhabi and then boarded again from Abu Dhabi to Manchester. That took me 7 hours of flight, and that's pretty much it. I got picked up by my sister and brother-in-law. We've been to the hospital, and tomorrow we'll go out. Let's see. And by the way, I'm all alone in the hotel. They're on the other room. The plan is by Sunday we leave Manchester for Isle of Man. There in the Isle of Man is where I'm really going to spend my time for a month, more than a month. I'll be finding a school, maybe helping my sister with her business, looking after the kids. That's pretty much it. I'm here in the UK after a few hours of flight.
The cabin crew will shortly commence a count of all passengers on board. To avoid any unnecessary delays to our departure, may we please ask that you take your allocated seats as
just arrived here in Isle of Man. Yeah, and this is my room. Windows, more luggage, bathroom, sink, toilet bowl, big shower, window, view from inside the window.